Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Koinly for crypto tax alerts, complete guide step by step clearly. Look for the sign up button located on the homepage. Click on the button to create a new account. Fill in your email address and create a password. After entering your details, click the Create Account button. You will receive a verification email from Koinly. Check your email inbox for this verification message. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Once your account is verified, log in to your Koinly account. Navigate to the dashboard once you are logged in. In the dashboard, locate the Settings option in the menu. Click on Settings to open the configuration options. Find the Tax Alerts section within the settings. Enable the tax alert feature by clicking the appropriate toggle switch. Enter your country of residence in the designated field. Choose the frequency of your tax alerts from the available options. Select whether you would like to receive alerts via email or through the app. Provide any additional personal details if prompted. Review your settings to ensure everything is correct. After confirming, click the Save Changes button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your settings have been updated. Now, Koinly will send you tax alerts based on your preferences. Monitor your email or app notifications for updates about your crypto taxes. Enjoy peace of mind knowing you are set up for timely tax alerts with Koinly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.